Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Have you ever struggled with stubborn stains that just won't come off? Maybe it's coffee, ink, or even grease? Today, I'll show you simple and effective ways to remove tough stains without damaging your clothes. Before we start scrubbing, it's important to know what kind of stain we're dealing with. Different stains require different treatments. Here are some common ones: grease and oil from cooking, butter, or salad dressing; ink and marker from ballpoint pens or permanent markers; coffee and tea from those morning mishaps; blood and sweat from minor cuts or workouts; and of course, wine and juice from spilled drinks. Now let's tackle them one by one. For fresh stains, the faster you act, the better. Blot, don't rub. Use a paper towel to absorb excess liquid. Water-based stains like coffee, juice, and tea, rinse with cold water immediately. For oily stains like butter, oil, and makeup, sprinkle baking soda or cornstarch to absorb the grease before washing. But what if the stain is already set? Let's move to the heavy-duty tricks. For grease and oil stains, sprinkle baking soda on the stain and let it sit for 10 minutes. Add a few drops of dish soap, scrub gently, then wash as usual. For ink stains, apply rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer to the stain. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then blot with a paper towel. Rinse and wash in cold water. Coffee and tea stains? Mix white vinegar and baking soda into a paste. Apply it to the stain. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then wash. Blood stains need hydrogen peroxide for white fabrics or salt water for colored fabrics. Let it bubble, then rinse with cold water before washing. Red wine stains? Pour club soda over the stain to lift it. Sprinkle salt and let it absorb the wine for 10 minutes. Wash in cold water. To prevent stains from setting, always use cold water first. Hot water can make them permanent. And remember to check before drying. Heat can lock in stains forever. Pro tip: use oxygen bleach for whites and a stain-removing detergent for colors. And that's it. Your clothes are as good as new. Try these hacks and let me know which one worked best for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. See you next time.